It's my cat. Um, Scott? Scott? Mimi. This is Scott. Shh, shh, shh. Oh, my Scott. Scott. And this is Orange. 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 Shh, shh, shh. Orange. I think they are all hungry and waiting for me. They've been waiting for me since in the morning because I'm so busy looking for a perfect phone for vlogging. That's why I take for granted for feeding them this morning. Okay, where is my other cats? Okay, Golden is not here. I think she's away. I think she's away. Not here. So, as you see, this is my all salon treatments and equipments, and hopefully you can visit my salon here for hair services. Yeah. This is Sunshine. Hey, sorry, it's Scott. 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 This is Scott. This is Orange. 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 This is Orange. Orange. This is Orange. And this is Sun. Sun. They are so naughty. Hi guys. I am testing my new phone for a video because I am planning to make vlogs on the future. So I hope this phone will works and it makes beautiful videos. Yeah. This is my cat. His name is Sunshine. Mimi. Sunshine. This is my cat, Sunshine. Sunshine. Mimi. Yeah, this is my medicina. Let's medicina here. Yeah. This is my client today. She wants to have a haircut, a fixie haircut. So after the haircut, I'm gonna color his hair. Yeah. So let's see how it goes. Hey guys, this is my client today. So she likes to have a pixie haircut. So right now, later, we're gonna start the haircut and see how it goes.